Hello! This short tutorial will demonstrate how to create a sync account with EndNote. Creating a sync account is important as it allows you to share your EndNote library and also ensures that all of your references are backed up. For this tutorial, I am using EndNote 21 on a Windows device. To start, open EndNote and navigate to the toolbar at the top. Click Edit, then Preferences, and then Sync. If you're using a Mac device, you would navigate to EndNote menu, then click Preferences, then Sync. Click Enable Sync. The EndNote login screen will pop up. If you haven't created an EndNote web account, click Sign Up to do so. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and a password for your account. You do not have to use your Duquesne Multipass credentials, but I am choosing to do so in this tutorial. Click to agree the EndNote user license agreement. And once your registration is complete, click Done. Once you have signed up for an account, you'll be redirected to the Sync Preferences menu. Your EndNote account credentials should now appear in their respective boxes. Find the Sync Automatically box and click to checkmark it. After you've completed both steps, click Apply in the bottom right-hand corner. If any errors pop up, specifically about a username or password, make sure your credentials are spelled correctly and that the Sync Automatically box is checked. If no errors appear, click OK. Next, open up a web browser and go to web.endnote.com/login. Enter the same email and password you just used to create an account and sign in. Once you're logged into your EndNote web account, you should see a similar home screen to your EndNote library. You're now able to access your EndNote library anywhere through your web account. As you add references into your EndNote library, it is important to frequently sync to prevent any lost data. If this is your first sync, click Sync Configuration at the top left. If you've already synced before, the option will say Sync Status instead. Click Sync Now to begin. Once your sync is complete, check under Sync Details to confirm it was successful. Here you'll find the date, sync status, error code, and error messages field. According to this data, my last sync was successful and no errors were reported. Another way to sync is by navigating to the toolbar, click Library, and then Sync. As you can see, my EndNote library has successfully synced with my web account, and all of my references, groups, and tags are in order. If you need assistance creating a sync account or are experiencing any errors, feel free to reach out to Gumberg Library staff. Our Getting Help page on our LibGuide has all the ways that you can contact us. The Clarivate support team is also available for additional help. Happy syncing!